Right. Continue the definition. If a number of lenses are placed in close contact, then the power of the combination of lenses, then the power of the combination of lenses, then the power of the combination of lenses, then the power of the combination of lenses is equal to the algebraic sum of the powers of individual lenses. Algebraic sum of the powers of individual lenses. Example. So you can write, let powers of a lens P1 and P2. Let powers of a lens P1 and P2. Let powers of a lens P1 and P2. Then power of combination of lens P is equals to P1 plus P2. All of you write this formula. P1 plus P2. Then power of a combination of lens is P1. P is equals to P1 plus P2. P1 plus P2. Understand? Example. This is which lens, Ra? Convex lens. This is which lens?
Convex lens.
Concave lens. Do you understand? That is, this is combined lens. That is what you should remember. Understand? So combination of convex lens and concave lens. This is combination. Understand? So this lens we can say combination of convex and concave lens. Understand? So because I am keeping first concave lens, so convex lens, that is why we can say combination of convex lens and concave lens. Suppose if I keep like this, then what we should call combination of concave lens and convex lens. Do you understanding, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Understand, Ra? So like this I can keep. Understand? Maybe convex lens will come first, next concave lens, or else concave lens first, convex lens, whatever it is. Whatever the first lens will coming, we can say this is combination of concave lens and convex lens, we can say. Convex lens. This is a combination of convex lens and concave lens. Do you understanding, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
what
sir.
power. Solve it. Example. Solve it, all of you. Solve the example. Bifocal lens, Nitna. This is. Do it, all of you. Understand, Ra? Okay. Suppose if a number of thin lenses having powers P1, P2, P3, etc., then you will place close contact with one another, then the resultant power P is equals to, understanding, if you take power of, understanding, if n number of understand, a power of lenses having power P1, P2, P3, etc., is kept close contact, is kept close together, then the resultant power, understanding, P is equals to what will become, P1 plus, P2 plus, P3 plus, so on it will go. That is what you should remember. More than one lens has been kept together, a very thin lenses has been kept together, then the resultant power P is equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3, like that n registers, remember. Understanding, n number of lenses. N means n. Understand, all of you? That is also important.
Yes,
Note it down, all of you. Now, let me write the question. All of you write the question, all of you. First question. Are two thin lenses of power, example. Two thin lenses of power, all of you do it. Two thin lenses of power, comma, plus 3.5D and minus 2.5D plus 3.5D and minus 2.5D are placed in contact. Are placed in contact. Are placed in contact. Plus 3.5D and minus 2.5D are placed in contact. Placed in contact. Full stop. Find power of combination and focal length. And focal length. Please, all of you. Start doing now.
Sir, power of combination is plus 1D, sir.
So power of combination is equals to P1 plus P2.
Plus 1D.
So now P1 is equals to how much? Plus 3.5 dioptries.
3.5D
P2 equals to minus 2.5 dioptries. Which is equal
The power of combination is
One,
6.
equals to
1, sir.
1 dioptry. Is it yes or no?
One dioptry.
Plus 1 dioptry. Is it
1D, sir, 1D.
1D. So calculate the focal length now. So power P is equals to 1 by F is equals to 1 by P, so which is equals to 1 by 1 dioptry, which is equals to how much? 1 dioptry. F is equals to 1 by 1 dioptry means 1 meter.
0.01. 0.01. 0.01 centimeter.
Which is equals to 100 centimeter. That is what? Do you understand, Ira? Yes or no? All of you. So focal length plus 1. Understanding? Focal length of this combination of lenses is plus 1 meter. That is what you should remember. Note it down, all of you. Plus 1 meter or plus 100 centimeter. So the focal length of combination of this lens is plus 1 meter or plus 100 centimeter. Is it okay, Ra? Anybody having any doubt, ask me. This is what you should solve it. Do it fast. Do you understanding, everyone? Arya, Ashita, Humaira?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve it, solve it. Again, Pranita, Varshini, do you understand Varshini? Arun Karthikeyan, communicate, yaar.
Sir.
Pranita, please, someone call to Pranita to tell her to join again. That is what it is. So, any doubt, anybody ask me, Nitinath, clear, Ra? Yes?
Yes, sir.
So, this is all about understanding about the refraction of light and the what is the concept which is present. So, with this understanding, so the chapter is completed. Now, shall we enter into the numericals? Shall we enter into the numericals?
Yes, sir.
So that is, so let us move, let us start with the understanding first, this power of a lens only, then only we can go with. So let us solve the few numericals which is related to this power of the lens, then we can understand how fast we need to do. So let us go with that, all of you. So get ready, all of you. 5 numericals I will give you. 5 numericals, remember, within a fraction of seconds you have to do it. Less than 1 minute, let me see who will do it. Less than 1 minute you have to do. 5 numericals. What is the time duration, Ra? Then
1 minute, sir.
less than 1 minute. Get ready. Just wait a minute. Ready? All of you. Start solving now.
Yes.
Fastly. First question answered by this time you should say. Arya, Dena, what is this? P, 4 lenses PQRS. One is 20 centimeter. P is equals to 20. Q is
Sir, P. Sir, P. Sir, P.
S is equal
The P is
Sir,
having
option
the
A.
first power, sir. P. Sir,
Sir, P, sir. Option A.
P.
P.
option A, sir. P.
Greatest power. What is the relationship between them? Focal length is increasing, power will decreases. Now you tell me, what are you talking? Greatest power there.
Oh,
What is
sir, R, sir.
R, sir.
R.
R, sir. Option C, R, sir.
R.
R.
5 centimeter.
Because focal length is minimum, so that converging power is maximum. What is this? Means converging or diverging, power of the lens is maximum. Do you understand, Ra? Next question. A converging lens has a focal length of 50 centimeter.
Sir, C, sir. C. C plus 2D.
Yes, sir. Plus 2D, sir.
C,
Plus
sir.
2D.
Plus 2D.
Sir.
Converging
Two, sir.
lens. So it
Plus
is
2D.
power P is equals to 100 divided by 50.
100 divided by 50.
Focal length.
Is equals to plus 2D. Very good. Next,
Plus
a
2D.
diverging lens of focal length is 0.1 meter. So
Yes. D, sir. Minus 10D.
So
D.
1 by 0.10. So which is equals to how much? Which is
D
equal
minus 10.
Minus 10D.
Minus 10D. Minus 10D.
minus 10D. Very nice. Next, fastly. Power of a lens is plus 2D. The focal length should be plus 2D, plus 2D, power of the lens. So focal length is equals to 1 by 2D. So 2D means which is equals to 200 meters or 100 meters. 2D, 1 by meter it is. 1 by meter. So focal length is equals to how much it is?
50. 50 centimeters, sir. 50 centimeters. B.
So as
50 centimeters.
power of the lens F is equals to 1 by P. So now which is equals to 1 by 2D. So as we know 1 by 2D means it will become what? D equals to 1 by meters. Meters will go up. Means how much it is? 1 by 2 meters. Means in the sense of how much, Ra?
0.5.
0.5.
50.
3 centimeters. Do you understand it? Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Next.
Sir.
Sir.
Lens has a power
Sir,
is
minus 4 meter. C. Minus 4 meter.
1 by minus 1 by 0.25. So which is equals to how much? 0.25
Minus 4 meter.
minus. Check
4
it.
meter. 4
Minus.
meter.
1 minus 1 by 0.1 diopter is correct, amma, which is equals to how much? 1 by 0.25. Solve it, Ray. Nobody is saying. Which is equals
Sir,
to
minus 4 meters, sir.
25 ones are 25 fours are, which is equals to minus 4.
Minus 4 meters.
Understanding? So minus 4 meters. Where it is there? C option. Correct or not?
C.
Yes, sir.
So minus 4 meters. Solve it. All of you solve it. This numerical solve. Do it fast. Do you understanding or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Solve it, solve it. Today, Jesse, Anusri, Akshaya, now Pranita, absent is next to Hura. Padmarshi, now you joined now only, correct?
No, sir. Last class itself I was there, sir. Only first 15 minutes I was not there, sir.
Okay. Join. Do it fast. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
All of you solve it. So how fast we are
Completed,
doing
sir.
that is what? Time matters. Time matters here and efficiency also matters. No confusion. Everybody remember that. Do it now. So here also, can you able to say now all of you? Observe carefully. Directly if you want to convert into centimeters. Sorry, here I am getting confusion. So we can use this formula. So power of P is equals to, we are writing that 100 by focal length. Is it yes or no?
Focal length. Yes,
The
sir.
power P is equals to,
Yes.
directly I can write what it will come, 100 divided by F. Understanding? So the power P, now F is equals to 100 divided by P. If you want to convert directly in centimeters, you can use this formula. Do you understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is also you can use it. Or else F is equals to 1 by P. So whatever you want, you can use. Your choice. Okay. So this is all about it. Write it now. Next question. Next question. Akil Arfan. Do you understand Akil Arfan?
Sir.
Are you there? Okay. Right now, next question. All of you right. Next. Right. The optical prescription for a pair of spectacles is let me see who will say this answer. The optical higher order thinking skills. This is the optical prescription for a pair of spectacles is right eye and left eye. Two eyes we have, correct? Right eye. The optical prescription for a pair of eyes is right eye minus 3.5 dioptries, left eye minus 4.0 dioptries. Remember, right eye is minus 3.5 dioptries, left eye is minus 4.00 dioptries. Next, first question in the subdivision. Are these lenses thinner at the middle or at the edges? Are these lenses thinner at the middle or at the edges? That is the first one. Are these lenses thinner at the middle or edges? Thinner at middle or edges? Please tell me. Next,
Thinner at the middle, sir.
B part.
Sir, thinner at the middle, sir.
B part, right.
Thinner at the middle, sir.
Thinner at the middle.
Next, you write. Which lens has greater focal length? Which lens has greater focal length? Which lens has greater?
Sir, right eye.
Next.
Right eye.
Right eye, sir. Right eye.
Right eye. Minus 3.5.
Next. Which is the weaker eye? Which is the weaker eye? Note it down. So solve it one by one. So as we know that power is negative. So which lens, Ra? First question answer. Solution.
Concave lens.
Concave.
So power is negative. Power is negative. So that it is what? Concave lens. So as we know, concave lens means thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges. Correct or not? So thinner at middle. Yes or no? And thicker at edges. Thicker, thinner. That is. Next, second question. Which lens has greater focal length? So what is the relation between them? Which lens has greater focal length? Power is more?
Sir, right eye.
Power.
Focal length
Focal length decreases, focal length more power decreases.
So, right eye. Right eye is having more focal length. Correct or not? Greater focal length. Right eye has greater focal length. Greater focal length. Because, why? Because less power. Is it yes or no? That is. Next, C part. Who is weaker eye? Weaker eye.
Left eye, sir.
How you
Left
can
eye.
say- How you can say left
Sir,
eye?
because its power is more, sir. Power is more, sir.
Power
For
is
this.
more. So that what it is indicating? Power is more means it is indicating what? Weakness. Understand?
Focal length.
Weaker eye, sir.
Focal length is less. So it is having more diverging power. So that is what? Left eye. That is what you remember. So left eye. Because more power. Understanding? More power. So that is what you should remember. So more power, more vehicle. If greater the power of the lens, that is what you should statement you should note it down. Note. if greater the power of the lens, if greater the power of a lens, next what is happening? Greater the power of a lens, next what? Weaker the understanding, weaker the eye, weaker the eye. If greater the power of a lens, weaker the eye. If the power of the lens is less, then the eye will become strong. That is what you should remember. Diverging power. Note it down that. You understanding all of you? Any doubt? Anybody? You ask me, please. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Nobody will answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Next, get ready. Solid. Exactly, I'm giving you 1 minute time. Let me see who will say answers first. First question. Concave lens of power is plus this sine they are not saying 10D and the convex lens is 6D. When these two lenses are placed in contact with each other, the power of the combination is power of the
Minus 16D, sir.
Minus
Minus 16.
Sir,
minus
minus 4D.
4D,
Minus
sir.
4D. Minus 4D.
minus
Minus 4D.
minus D.
how it is. Concave lens is minus
Sir,
how
you can't hear another one.
Yes, sir.
Convex
Minus,
lens
sir.
Concave lens is minus 10D, sir. Convex lens is plus 6D,
Plus
sir.
power of the combination P is equals to P1 plus P2. So which is equals to minus
9 plus
plus understand plus
plus 6D.
minus
40.
very good. Somebody
minus
40. Next, a power of a converging lens is plus converging
1.5, sir.
lens. Converging lens means plus
1.5.
understanding that
1.5D.
minus
1.5.
Yes, sir. Plus 1.5D.
1.5.
1.5D.
1.5D.
Yeah, very good. So because 4.5D plus minus of 3D. So which is equals to how much? 4.5D minus 3D, which is equals to 1.5D plus it is. Next,
1.5.
a convex lens of
Minus 10 centimeter. Minus 10 centimeter.
concave lens of focal length is 20 centimeter. The focal length of this combination of these lenses will become
Minus 10 centimeter.
minus 10
Minus 10 centimeter.
relationship. It will become what?
Minus 10 centimeter.
Concave lens for convex lens of focal length is 10 centimeter. Convex lens. So F is equals to what? Plus 10 centimeter. Is it yes or no? Next, concave lens F is equals to minus 20 centimeter. So now
Minus 20 centimeter.
both together. Understanding. So then what is happening? So focal length combination of focal length F is equals to F1 plus F2. So which is equals to how much? So 10 plus minus 20. So which is equals to 10 minus 20, which is equals to minus 10 centimeter.
Minus 10
Minus
centimeter.
centimeter.
Which is equals to C. Is it yes or no, all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So like,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
understand? Okay.
Understood, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
so this is all about the today's thing. But I think it is wrong. Can you able to check it? So what is this question? 1 minute. So this question is minus 4D. First question, what is the answer? Ra?
Minus 4D, sir.
4D. Next one.
Next one, 1.5.
So 1.5 meters. And next one, a convex lens of focal length is 10 centimeter is placed in contact with a concave lens of focal length 20 centimeter. the focal length of this combination of this correct one. Okay, da. So that is all about it. Thank you all of you. So this is with this I will stop today's class. Then we'll continue from tomorrow. Okay. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.